What's up, everybody? So this is one of the dynos for the CVT, and we were able to get all these squigglies fixed. Basically, I reached out to this person. So what was happening is AFR was great, and then right around here towards this mark is where the AFR got a little wonky. So what I did is I was able to help richen up his air fuel ratio in that area. Of course, he didn't do another dyno, but that'll kind of fix that issue because it's really smooth up until the upper rev range. This is on a CVT right here. So if you look at the numbers right here, he made 345 pounds of torque to the wheels and 306 horsepower. So pretty solid power for a CVT. This is just with a JB4 and E30, and I think he also had the BMS intake. But we were able to clean this up. So he said it feels a lot better up top. He sent me a couple logs back and forth, and got that fixed. I don't think he's making any more power up here necessarily, but it's just it's most likely a smoother line now. If he ever runs on the dyno again, I'll be able to show you guys. But hey, almost 350 pounds of torque on a CVT. That's pretty cool. That's pretty great power for everybody who didn't know. Right now, currently, the JB4 is the only tuner for the CVT transmission. So if you're looking to get a little bit more power out of your CVT WRX, I've got a link in the description so you could get your JB4. And again, if you have any questions or want any help dialing yours in, I'm more than happy to help you so you can make similar numbers to what he made. And this actually isn't the highest dyno chart that we've seen for the CVT. The highest I've seen it push so far is close to 370, but that was on a higher ethanol and full bolt-ons. So like I said, if you're looking to get a little bit more out of your CVT and still kind of maintaining the warranty, is really kind of what this one is. You can make just about 350 pounds of torque, which is a big, you think about that's about 100 foot-pounds of torque over stock, which is pretty cool.